Welcome to everybody in your own channel, that is Smart English Learning with Sushma Rohal. This is class 12 to Flamingo. We are going to begin now poetry section. As you know, we have already completed our Flamingo book, all the chapters with its question answers. And now the turn is of a poem first. My Mother at 66. This is written by Kamla Das. She is a female here, and this is your first part of this poem, in which we will learn line to line explanation of the poem. And in second part of the same poem, you will come to know the question answers as well as extract from the poem and some board question which will come in the board examination. But in this video, this is the first part in which we will come to know the line to line explanation of each and every word of this poem. And if you want to watch my rest of the videos about writing section or your literature part, so you can just subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and select your desired playlist to watch the video. Now let's come to first, and in the poetry section with the literary figures I will teach you that which literary figure is used and where and in which line. Okay, but first of all, in the poem some difficult words will be given to you, so let's come through the difficult words in the beginning here. The very first is doze means light sleep, light sleeping, or you can say napping. Napping means also light sleep. It's not deeply sleeping, this is light sleep, means halki नींद लेना, नींद की झपकी लेना. Next, ashen means very pale or like ash. Ash means जैसे राख की तरह होता है, very pale or yellowish also. We can call it yellowish also, having yellow color or yellowish. Next is corpse. Corpse means a dead body, just like a dead body. Sprinting means here shooting out of the ground. Shooting out means ground से बाहर निकलना. Means sprinting means here running fast. Sprinting means here running fast. You can say here running fast also. Next is spilling. Spilling means to come out, to come out with cheerful mood. To come out in great numbers means numbers means बहुत ज्यादा, एक नहीं दो नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा किसी के मतलब चिल्ड्रन का या पर्सन का एकदम से बाहर निकलना. So that is your spilling. Like spilling out means coming out. Spilling out means coming out. One means also here unnaturally pale, means this is also pale color, yellowish color, means physically weakness it will show to you, and emotional distress also. And the next is their ache means your pain, everybody knows that word. Now come to word explanation here. Driving from my parents home means here who is driving? Kamla Das. Kamla Das is a daughter of this mother. She is the mother of Kamla Das. She is of 66-year-old. Means my mother at 66 means here that my mother age is 66 and she is looking very, very old. So how is her plight, how is her situation, how she looks like, she will describe you everything in this poem. Driving from my parents home means now Kamla Das is driving, she is driving a car here, she is in the car and she is driving in her car, and she is going from her parents home. And where she is going to Cochin. Cochin is the name of a place. Some students will use coaching. Coaching is wrong word. Coaching will be for the classes, for the course. Coaching word is wrong. She was going to Cochin, because while evaluating the examination of a board, I checked the same answer, that where she was going, and most of the students had written she was going for coaching. Coaching, beta, coaching means you are going somewhere to take education for, like for courses, you are going for coaching for the practice, that is different thing. But here Cochin is the name of a place where she was going. So what is given here? Driving from my parents home. My parents means now Kamla Das is telling you that she is driving from her parents home, she is in car and she is going to Cochin. Cochin airport. She is going to Cochin and she was going to airport. Last Friday. She is the incident of last Friday morning. This is the incident of morning when she was driving a car and she was going away from her house. Means जो कमला दास है वो अपने घर से कार में बैठ करके अपनी मदर के साथ, उसकी मदर कहाँ बैठी है? बिसाइड, मतलब उसकी साइड एक तरफ बैठी हुई है, और अपनी कार में बैठ करके वो एयरपोर्ट जा रही है जहां से उसको कोचीन के लिए प्लेन लेना है. ठीक है. एंड दिस इंसिडेंट इज ऑफ फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग. और जब वो उसमें बैठी होती है कार में, शी सा आई सा माई मदर, उसने क्या देखा, अपनी मदर को देखा, बिसाइड मी, जो कि मेरे एक तरफ बैठी थी, बिसाइड मीन्स वन साइड, लाइक कंडक्टर साइड, you can say Kamala Das was driving the car and mother was sitting at the conductor side, means you can say she was sitting beside her or exactly one sided of her. Doze, open mouth. Doze means she was dozing, she was taking light sleep, she was napping, means वो हल्की सी नींद ले रही थी. Opened mouth, उसका मुंह खुला होता है, you know, as you have seen most of the old age person, so not having the teeth in the mouth, there will be air enter in their mouth, and because of that air their mouth will open and close because of having sleep. कि आपने देखा होगा जैसे ग्रैंड मदर होते हैं, मदर होते हैं जो ओल्ड एज हो जाती हैं, बहुत एज हो जाती हैं, उनका क्या होता है कि जैसे ही वो डोजिंग करते सोते हैं तो उनके मुंह में ऐसे हवा भरती है, एकदम से वो छोड़ते हैं, फिर हवा भरते फिर छोड़ते हैं, तो मोस्टली ने ऐसा देखा होगा. देन सेम शी वाज आल्सो डूइंग देयर व्हेन शी वाज नैपिंग. हर फेस अशेन लाइक दैट, उसका जो फेस था, हर फेस वॉज येलोइश, हर फेस वॉज पेल, just like is here simile. Whenever the word like or as will come in the sentence, then the literary figure of speech will come simile. So what is given here, ashamed like that, is because of this like word, simile figure of speech is given here. So one figure of speech I already told you. So ashamed like that, how she was looking there, of a corpse, मीन्स वो कैसे दिखाई दे रही थी, जैसे एक डेड बॉडी हो. एंड रियलाइज, और उसने महसूस किया, हिज पेन, अपने उस पेन को, दैट शी वॉज एज ओल्ड एज शी लुक्ड, क्योंकि वो इतनी ही बूढ़ी लग रही थी जितनी की वो एज में थी. बट सून, लेकिन जल्दी ही, पुट दैट थॉट अवे, लेकिन वो, बट नाउ शी वांटेड टू डाइवर्ट हर अटेंशन फ्रॉम हर सिक मदर. She wanted to divert, she wanted to change her change her attention from her mother, and she wanted to divert her attention. That's why she decided to do one thing, she decided to लुक आउटसाइड ऑफ द कार. अब उसने देखो, जब वो कार के अंदर अपनी मदर की तरफ देखते हैं तो उसको क्या लगता है कि भी उसकी मदर जो है वो बिल्कुल कोरप्स डेड बॉडी की तरह दिख रही है, बिल्कुल ओल्ड एज है, ठीक है, और वो ऐसे लग रही है बिल्कुल बहुत जल्दी वो मतलब एक्सपायर भी हो जाएगी, बिल्कुल येलो उसका फेस हो गया है, बिल्कुल डेड बॉडी की तरह. सो शी वाज वेरी वरीड आफ्टर लुकिंग एट हर मदर. दैट्स व्हाई शी वांटेड टू डाइवर्ट हर अटेंशन, वो अपने ध्यान को उसकी तरफ से हटाना चाहती है. दैट्स व्हाई शी लुक्ड outside the car, and where she looked at the young trees sprinting. वो उन यंग ट्रीज की तरफ देखते जो स्प्रिंटिंग मीन्स रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. अब देखो, जैसे आप कोई व्हीकल में बैठते हो, जैसे बस में बैठते हो, कार में बैठते हो, कहीं पे बैठते हो, तो जैसे आपका व्हीकल चल रहा होता है, बट व्हाट विल लुक लाइक, इट विल लुक लाइक दैट ट्रीज आर रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. देखा ना हमने सबने कि जैसे हम किसी व्हीकल में बैठते तो ट्रीज बड़ी जल्दी से पीछे भागते हुए लगते हैं, जैसे कि ट्रीज बहुत जल्दी से पीछे पीछे दौड़ रहे हो, ठीक है, तो ऐसे में दिखाई देता है. बट एक्चुअली ट्रीज कांट स्प्रिंट, ट्रीज कांट मूव, सो दिस इज जस्ट ओनली इमेजिनेशन ऑफ हर. सो व्हाट इज देयर, trees sprinting, sprinting is here like running very fast. So trees are comparing with like a human being. भाई रनिंग कौन कर सकता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग कर सकते हैं. और जब कोई नेचर की चीज को ह्यूमन बीइंग की चीज के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, दैट विल बी मेटाफर. तो यहाँ पर जो ट्री स्प्रिंटिंग है, इसमें आपका मेटाफर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आएगी, मेटाफर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आएगी यहाँ पे. ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग, क्योंकि जो ट्रीज है वो अपने आप से नहीं दौड़ सकते, क्योंकि दौड़ना किसका काम है, ह्यूमन बीइंग का. और ह्यूमन बीइंग की अगर कभी भी कोई एक्टिविटी को हम नेचर की थिंग से कंपेयर करते हैं तो वहां पर हमेशा मेटाफर होता है. ओके, सो ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग, तो कहाँ देखती है, शी वॉज लुकिंग एट द आउटसाइड वेर शी सा द ट्रीज स्प्रिंटिंग, मीन्स ट्रीज वर रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. The trees were seems to running very fast, but actually trees were not running, it was just only the car which was running fast. The merry children, और second thing उसने क्या देखी, merry means happy, happy children were spilling means coming out, मीन्स एक नहीं बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रन, बहुत सारे हो गए यहाँ पे. तो द मैरी चिल्ड्रन स्पिलिंग आउट, उसने क्या देखा, बहुत सारे जो बच्चे थे वो अपने घरों से बाहर आ रहे थे. Mary means happily, means she looked first of all on the young trees which were sprinting, just looks like sprinting, running very fast, so her mood was changed and now she was feeling relaxed. After that she looked at the children who were coming from their houses in happy mood. एंड बट आफ्टर द एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक, अब वो ऐसे करते करते जो है वो एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच जाते हैं. यू नो एट एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग विल बी देयर. सो आफ्टर द सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग, getting the checking of security, standing a few yard away, अब वो अपनी मदर से काफी दूर खड़ी थी because she was just going to take plane. वो तो प्लेन ले रही थी, अब उसकी मदर को तो एयरपोर्ट से बाहर खड़े होना था. तो जैसे अब आपको सीन में भी लग रहा है कि जो ग्रैंड, ये जो सॉरी मदर है इसकी मदर बिल्कुल उससे दूर कुछ दूरी पे खड़ी है और ये अंदर मतलब प्लेन लेने के लिए यहाँ पे अंदर जा रही है. एंड दैट टाइम व्हाट शी डिड, अगेन शी लुक्ड एट हर मदर, वो दोबारा से अपनी मदर की तरफ देखती है. वन पेल, दोबारा से जो वीक येलोइश फेस होता है, जो सिक फेस उसको दिखाई देता है, उसकी तरफ देखती है. एज अ लेट विंटर मून, अब एज देखो यहाँ पे एज आ गया, एज फिर से कंपैरिजन आ गया. जब भी कहीं पर दो चीजों की कंपैरिजन हो वहां पर अगेन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आपका होगा. सो अगेन यू कैन से देयर इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, दैट इज द सिमिली. Okay, so simile figure speech given here, as and like, wherever you will see as and like word, there simile will be the literary figure. Okay, so she is comparing her mother with late winter moon. Late winter moon means as the moon appeared in the late winter season. You know, जो आपका विंटर सीजन होता है उसमें जो मून है वो आपको लेट दिखाई देता है, और जब वो लेट दिखता है विंटर में वो भी बड़ा डिम डल ओके येलोइश सा दिखाई देता है. सो सेम plight was of mother also, that she was also dim, dull, yellowish, pale, and same moon was also there, dim, dull, yellowish, and just like pale. Okay, so she was doing similarity between both of them, mother as well as moon also, and felt that old familiar ache, और उसको वो दोबारा से वो पेन उसको दोबारा से याद आने लगता है, वो दर्द वो जो पेन है दोबारा से फ्रेश हो जाता है उसके माइंड में जो उसको चाइल्डहुड में था. एंड व्हाट वाज द फियर इन द चाइल्डहुड, she had the fear of a childhood that her mother will not live, she will not survive मोर, भी उसकी मदर ज्यादा जीवित नहीं रहेगी, ज्यादा दिनों तक मतलब वो सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएगी. एंड शी विल लॉस हर मदर सून. सो शी वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द पेन ऑफ सेपरेशन फ्रॉम हर मदर. she was just getting the pain of separation of her mother, but all I said was, लेकिन उसने उन चीजों को छोड़ दिया, अब उन चीजों को भूल रही है, उनको छोड़ रही है, और वो क्या कहती है, see you soon amma. अब now she doesn't want to give pain to her mother, and she is not showing that she is worried about her mother, and at the end she said see you soon amma, that amma I will come very soon back. Okay, all I did was smile and smile, और ऐसा बोल करके while she was just speaking this one, see you soon amma, and she was just smiling, why she was smiling, there is a question there, why she is smiling, she is just smiling, but after smiling she was hiding her pain of separation. This is very important question, and most of the time this question will come in examination. This question has come already in the examination, that what is the significance of the word smile. Miss, what do you mean by smile word here? Smile means not actually she was smiling, actually she was hiding her pain behind this smile. Okay, so it was all about your poem. And if you want to watch rest of the second part of this poem, so you will watch next part, in which I will tell you extract of the poem, extract question answer, as well as NCERT question answers, and some question which came in the board already, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Just wait for the next part.